talking about?
What did he say? What was he saying?
He said he only speak out. He said it was gonna rain. Yeah.
Apartments for sale. Apartment for sale.
Oh, I want it.
$500, please. What are you gonna do with hanging on my house?
It's not your house anymore. It's mine.
What do you mean?
He sold it to me.
This is my house.
Not even anymore.
I'm calling the police.
No, $500. He lives here now. Yeah. Now I'm gonna swing. JV. JV.